Okay, so today we're going to go over how to pull out the motor can for a Mini 125 250. First thing you're going to do is back out these two bolts. They hang on your motor cover. You would then remove these bolts here. You're also going to take off your hoses, so this mounting bracket will come off. Needle nose pliers to push down your push locks to remove your hoses. Don't worry about trying to remember the colors. The mounting surface has the colors coordinated. Okay, so you're going to take a 4mm hex, back off this bolt. This achieves two things. First, we're removing the strain relief cable from the body. Additionally, we're opening up this area because these bolts serve to fasten in this motor can. Just be aware you have these Nord-Lock washers. And both bolts are taken out. Your can is now ready to be removed. J.D. Newhouse motor can tool. Take your threaded rod section, screw this into your can. Okay. Now, depending on the state of your equipment or how long this has been in here, it may require a little bit of force to get this out. I don't really advise you putting it in a vise necessarily because we don't want to deform the aluminum body. But you know, placing it in an area where it can be secured, or securing it in a way is useful. One handy tip when you are pulling out the motor can and putting in a new motor can, or putting in the same motor can, is to create alignment marks on your motor can. This helps for aligning the pinion and a set pin that's underneath your can. You insert your tool and pull out. Then when replacing your can, line up your marks. Your can will go back into place.